guys, it's Jennifer. Welcome back to Busy Being Jen. I'm here today with my second BoxyCharm box. Now, you guys know that I had subscribed to BoxyCharm years and years ago and decided to try it out again. And so BoxyCharm is a service that comes every month. It gives you 5 full-size products and you pay $30, which comes to $6 per item. I have 3 things that I really liked in this box and in my last box, and 2 things I didn't. So I have a recommendation for you if you're thinking about doing BoxyCharm. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go over quickly the stuff that I got in the last box, what I thought of it. Then I'm going to tell you my recommendation, and then I'm going to get into my new box. So, okay, so let me start with the 2 things I did not like. First of all, this set of brushes by Ace Beauty, B-E-A-U-T-E with a line over it. I didn't like these at all. I mean, these brushes were, I guess, okay, but this one that was supposed to be a foundation brush, like a stippling brush, you know, it's flat on the end. It was like they're made of plastic. It sort of just smeared my foundation around on my face. I'm literally going to throw this in the trash when I'm done with this video. I don't know. These I might hang on to for something, but I have so many nice brushes I can't even imagine. Well, I don't know. Anyway, disappointment on this one. Yeah, not good. Okay, the other one I didn't like was the Il Makiage mascara, or not mascara, eyeshadow. Really nice palette, but the colors were way darker than what they showed on their website, and they were all really shimmery. And just too dark for me. So yeah, I tried it twice, and I'm going to find somebody to give these to because it's not for me. Not for me. Yeah, too bad. Okay, then let's talk about the 3 things I did like. One was this Dermal. It's a natural retinol product, and it's all kind of plant-based and everything. And I use Retin-A on my face, but you can't use Retin-A on your neck. It's just way too sensitive. The skin is just way too sensitive. And so I've been using this on my neck. You know, 1 month is not long enough to be able to tell if this is actually doing something good. But I can tell you that it's not causing any irritation to the skin on my neck. So this is good, and I'm going to keep using it. The next thing I really liked was this product by Leas. It is a kale and vitamin E exfoliator. Is that what it is? I don't have my glasses, so I can't see. Kale and vitamin K exfoliator. It has a really fine grit, a very fine grit. What you do is you would smear it on, you leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you kind of exfoliate with it and then rinse it off. Just really nice. It didn't cause any irritation. It did a nice job of exfoliating, but didn't irritate the skin. It says it's for all skin types, including sensitive skin. I don't have particularly sensitive skin, but you know, sometimes exfoliators can do that. If I could talk today, it would be really nice. So, okay, so there was that one. And then the last one was a mascara by Iconic London. And this one I didn't have high hopes for because, well, I'm always in the market for a good mascara because it seems like every time I fall in love with a mascara, then it gets discontinued. So this one, the spoolie looked like it was going to be like that it was going to apply the mascara for length and not volume. And when I very first tried it on, that's exactly what happened, and I thought, oh, that's a shame. But then when I went back for a second coat of it, then it volumized my mascara. I mean, it volumized my eyelashes. So, yeah, I'm going to continue to use this. This might stay on my list of favorites. Who knows? We'll see. All right, so now let's move on to my next box. Now, here's the recommendation I have. With my first box, I just let them surprise me completely. I didn't take a peek when they told me that I could look at the box or customize the box. And I was disappointed with 2 of the products. And I think I probably could have avoided that. if I had just taken the time to do that. So I would strongly recommend that you take time to customize your box. 2 of the items in the box you cannot customize. You can find out what they are in advance, or you can choose to be surprised. It's up to you. But they'll tell you what those 2 things are that you're going to get. And then the other 3, they come in categories. And so you can choose whatever it is that you want. And so I was pretty satisfied with the choices that I had. So okay, so we start out, they have this little insert that talks about just, I guess, some of the different products and things that are in here. They have a QR code that you can go and see all of the specific information about the products, which can be helpful if the products themselves don't say specifically how to use them. And one of the things that I have found is helpful with BoxyCharm is if you are kind of new to makeup, or maybe you've always used makeup, but you just don't know a lot about different kinds of makeup or products or whatever, it can be so helpful to try new things and learn about products. Because when I had my first subscription with them, I was at a point where I would go into an Ulta store and walk around, and I was so overwhelmed that I would walk out with nothing because I just didn't know what to buy. I just didn't know what was good and what wasn't good. And this subscription service really helped me. So, okay, let's talk about those. This is one of the ones that I was not able to choose, that they just chose for me. And it's the Eyeshadow Palette by Ofra. From what I could see on the website, it seemed like maybe they were going to be matte shadows, and I really hope so. Okay, so I can see that there's at least one that is not matte. Okay, so it's a nice little box. It's got a magnet thing on it. And then these are the shades. I'll put in a picture so you can see. Okay, this one, that one is not a shimmer. This one is a shimmer. This one's definitely a shimmer. What's this one? This one's a dark one that is, that's not. And this one, kind of a light shimmer. I'll put in a picture of these on my hand. It looks like 2 of them are matte, and the other 3 are shimmery. I wish that it had been more of them just matte, just because, the older you get, the more like crepey the skin of your eyelids gets when you use a shimmer shadow. It just draws attention to that crepiness of the skin. But what I can say is that I love the shades here, and so they definitely look like eyeshadows that I would use. So I'm excited about that. Okay. Let's look at what was the next thing that I knew I was going to get. This one. So this one is, LYS Beauty. I'll put in a picture for you. Lash Confidence. So it is a mascara. And like I said, I'm always in the market for a good mascara. Yeah, so it's like this little triangular sort of tube here. And let me go ahead and open it so I can see what the spoolie looks like. Yeah, it looks like it might be a volumizing kind of spoolie. Yeah. So I'm definitely excited to try it. I just have fallen in love with a couple of mascaras over the years. It seems like they discontinue them within a year of my falling in love with them, and then I have to go on a hunt for another one. And I've been on a hunt for a good mascara for several years now. So I'm definitely excited to try this one. Now, the other 3 are the ones that I got a chance to choose. I'm hoping that my choices will be things that I ended up liking. So let's see what I got. Hold On to Your Dream. Oh, this was interesting. I went back and forth in this category, not knowing whether I should choose this or not. It's a probiotic setting spray. Yeah, probiotic setting spray. It's called Hold On to Your Dream. And I remember reading about this. It's by Real Her. And I'll pop in a picture for you, but you put it on after you put on your makeup to kind of set it on there. And my first thought when I saw it was, oh gosh, no, because I recently moved to Florida. The humidity here is insane. And I thought the last thing I want is another layer of something sitting on top of my skin. But it talked about how this was really good to use, especially in high humidity or if you're going to sweat. Well, I do both of those things here. And so I thought, why not try it and see if it keeps my makeup from sliding off my face? So yeah, I'm actually really excited about this one. Okay, the next one is, I really hope this works. This one is a brow, like a tinted brow gel, but it is also a serum. And it is by Grand? Yeah, it's by Grand Cosmetics. So they have Grand Brow and Grand Lash. And this, I wasn't going to take it at first because I thought it was just a tinted brow gel. But it actually says that like you put it on to fill in some, to make it look like you have fuller eyebrows. But it's a serum at the same time. And so it is supposed to help your brows grow better. So I am super excited to try this. Yeah, definitely happy to have it and excited to try it. And the last thing I have is called Instant Crush. I don't remember what this is. Half Caked. Is it it's a lip gloss. Oh, I remember. Yes, it's 2 lip glosses. So let me get them out of here. Okay, yes, I'm really excited about this. One of them is just like a pearly, whitish. I don't know if it goes on that way or if it just goes on clear. Let me put it on here. Yeah, it looks like it's mostly clear. But it's like kind of shimmery. And the same with this one, but it's more of a muted tan, kind of a earth tone kind of thing. So I am really excited about that because I'm into sparkly lip glosses these days. So I'm really excited to try all of these actually. So just as a recap for what I got this time around, I got my lip glosses. I got this tinted brow serum. I got a mascara, a setting spray, a probiotic setting spray, and an eyeshadow palette. So next month I will come back and I'll give you a quick review of what I thought of these products and whether I would say, whether I would recommend them or not. And then I will go over with you my next box. So hopefully this was helpful. I'll put the subscription information in the space below this video if you're interested in checking out BoxyCharm. They're owned by Ipsy now. Used to be separate company, now it's under the Ipsy label. So anyway, but if you want to check out BoxyCharm, check out the space below the video. Hope you guys are doing well, and I'll see you again on Busy Being Jen. Take care. Bye-bye.